Welcome back. We'll start with a new topic, Japanese encephalitis. So, what is Japanese encephalitis? It is a viral disease transmitted by infective bites of female mosquitoes, mainly belonging to Culex tritaniorhynchus and Culex vishnui and Culex pseudo vishnui group. However, some other mosquito species also play a role in transmission under specific conditions. It is a viral disease transmitted by Culex genus diseases, mosquitoes. Japanese encephalitis virus is primarily zoonotic in its natural cycle, and man is an accidental host. Okay, Japanese encephalitis usually found in the animals, but accidentally it will transmit it to the man. G virus is neurotropic and arbovirus, and primarily affects central nervous system. This Japanese encephalitis will mainly affect the central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord. So, what are the signs and symptoms of JE? JE virus infection present classical symptoms similar to any other virus causing encephalitis. Okay, any disease causing the encephalitis, any virus or bacteria causing encephalitis will show the same symptoms. It may result in febrile illness of variable severity associated with neurological symptoms ranging from headache to meningitis or encephalitis. Starting from headache, it may lead to the meningitis or encephalitis. Symptoms can include headache, fever, meningeal signs, stupor, disorientation, coma, tremors, paralysis, hypotonia, loss of coordination. So these are the main symptoms and signs you can see. Meningeal signs means there will be pain, neck pain sometimes, and the stupor means he will be staring at the one direction or one object, and disorientation will be there, coma, tremors over the body, and paralysis. Okay, generalized paralysis can be seen, hypertonia, and loss of coordination. Prodromal stage may be abrupt, that is, starting stage will be within 1 to 6 hours. Acute will be in 6 to 24 hours, and more commonly subacute in 2 to 5 days. In acute encephalitic stage, symptoms noted in prodromal phase: convulsion, alteration of sensorium, behavioral changes, motor paralysis, involuntary movements supervene, and focal neurological deficit is common. Usually lasts for a week but may prolong due to complication. In acute encephalitis, that is starting stage of the JE, it will show the abrupt symptoms like convulsion, alteration of sensorium, behavioral changes like that. Okay. Among the patients who survive, some lead to full recovery through steady improvement, and some suffer with stabilization of neurological deficit. Convalescent phase is prolonged and vary from few weeks to several months. Okay. Yeah. If the person survives this JE, then he will be having full recovery. But if someone suffers certain problem, it will be mainly neurological deficit. And convalescent phase will be prolonged, and it may take from few weeks to several months. Clinically, it is difficult to differentiate between JE and other viral encephalitis. And JE virus infection presents classical symptoms similar to any other virus causing encephalitis. Same symptoms can be seen as other virus causing the encephalitis. So, how it is transmitted? It is by a vector-borne disease. It is a vector through mosquito, and several species of mosquito are capable of transmitting JE virus. JE is a zoonotic disease that we have seen already, and natural hosts of JE virus include water birds of Ardidae family, mainly pond herons and cattle egrets. Pigs play an important role in the natural cycle and serve as an amplifier host, since they allow manifold virus multiplication without suffering from disease and maintain prolonged viremia. That is, pigs act as a carriers, okay, natural carriers, and they will be having the viruses, full load of virus, that is called viremia, and but still they will not show any symptoms, okay, and they will transmit to the humans. Due to prolonged viremia, mosquitoes get opportunity to pick up infection from pigs easily. Easily, mosquitoes will pick up the virus from the blood of the pig, and man is a dead end in transmission cycle due to low and short-lived viremia. Mosquitoes do not get infection from JE patient. Okay, from the JE patient, mosquitoes will not transmit, but it will transmit from the animals. And man is the dead end. Okay, after him, there will be no infection transferred to anything. And these are the vectors found in the India which transmits the Japanese encephalitis. That is Culex mosquitoes, mainly Culex vishnae group. In the life cycle, it consists of 4 instars of larvae, pupa, and adult. The whole cycle takes more than a month. However, duration depends on temperature and other ecological conditions. If the temperature and other ecological conditions are normal and optimum, they will have the whole cycle of their life, starting from egg to the adult. And the Culex vishnae group subgroup is very common, widespread and breed in water with luxuriant vegetation, mainly in paddy field, and the abundance is related to rice cultivation, shallow ditches, and pools. Culex vishnae will be more abundantly seen in the paddy fields. Okay? And these vectors are primarily outdoor, resting in vegetation and other shaded places, but in summer may also rest in the indoors. Usually it is present outdoors, but in the summer it will come for the indoor. They are in principally cattle feeders, though human and pig feeding are also recorded in some areas. How J is diagnosed? In clinical cases present signs and symptoms similar to encephalitis of viral origin cannot be distinguished for confirmation. Okay? In clinical confirmation cannot be distinguished the JE from the other viral diseases. However, JE can be suspected as the cause of encephalitis as a febrile illness of variable severity associated with neurological symptoms ranging from headache to meningitis or encephalitis. So, what we have seen symptoms, if there are present in the person, then we can say it is a viral encephalitis, but we cannot confirm it is JE or other. But some symptoms are like headache, fever, meningeal signs, stupor, disorientation, coma, tremor, paralysis, that is generalized paralysis, hypertonia, and loss of coordination. And laboratory investigation, several laboratory tests are available for JE virus detection, which include antibody detection, that is hemagglutination inhibition test, complement fixation test, enzyme linked to immunosorbent assay, which is ELISA, for IgG, that is paired IgG, and IgM, MAC test, and antibodies, etc. Antigen detection can be done by RPHA and IFA, immunoperoxidase, etc. Those are the tests which are done in the laboratory to identify the JE virus. And the clinical suspect, febrile illness of variable severity associated with neurological symptoms ranging from headache to meningitis or encephalitis. This is clinically we can suspect. If the person is having headache to any other symptom which is present even in the meningitis, then we can tell he is having encephalitis. And symptoms, what we have seen already, those are things, if they present, they are suspected case. And confirmed, it's by laboratory result, that is IgM in CSF, or fourfold or greater rise in paired sera through IgM or IgG, ELISA, and HI neutralization test or detection of virus, antigen or genome in tissue, blood or other body fluid, by immunochemistry and immunofluorescence test. By these tests, we can confirm that person is having the JE virus. So, what are the treatment? It is symptomatically treated, and clinical management of JE is supportive aid, and in the acute phase is directed at maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance, and control of conversion if present. Maintenance of airway is crucial. Here, fluid and electrolyte balance should be maintained to control the conversion, and airway should be maintained. So here, these are the JE affected districts, and only in these regions only we can find the JE vaccine. And how can we prevent? The preventive measures are directed at reducing the vector density and in taking personal protection against mosquito bites using insecticide-treated mosquito nets. The reduction in mosquito breeding requires eco management, as the role of insecticides is limited. Prevention and control can be done only by preventing the mosquito breed and killing them. And piggeries may be kept away from human dwelling, that is 4 to 5 kilometers away from the human dwelling. And there is one vaccine for the prevention, that is JE vaccine we are giving, that is in the endemic areas. Okay, that's what about the Japanese encephalitis. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.